Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your new Argon Mini Humidifier made by TSP for your SPECTRO ICP. First, we will identify our input and output ports on the humidifier. The input will be lower on the body while the output will sit higher and connect to the inner chamber. We are going to connect the two black and blue push-in connectors to the input and output ports. For the input, grab 23-0057, which is 6 mm to 4 mm. Align the larger hole over the port and simply push the connector down. Make sure to push until it clicks in. If you need to unlatch the connector, pull the blue ring up and it will release. Next, for the output port, we will do the same thing. Grab 23-0058, which is 6 mm to 6 mm, and push down the connector very carefully to connect to the port. Again, push until it clicks in. Now we can finally connect our tubing to our gas supply and to our nebulizer. We will be using part numbers 23-0029 and 23-0210, which includes a pre-installed female quick connect. We are going to take our 23-0029 and insert the tubing all the way into the input connector. It should take up around 8 mm of tubing. Next, grab the 23-0210 with the pre-installed female quick connect. Insert the tubing until it stops, which is around 3/4 of an inch. Make sure to lightly pull back on the tubing to ensure it's latched into place. The pre-installed female quick connect will connect to your nebulizer. The male quick connect will plug into your SPECTRO ICP gas supply. Next, we're going to fill up the humidifier with deionized water. Unscrew the red cap counterclockwise and fill the chamber up only halfway. Be careful to never overfill the humidifier. The provided humidifier clamp is magnetic and will stick to the metal siding in your SPECTRO ICP. Squeeze the clamp together to secure the humidifier. Click it closed on the second notch to ensure the device will not move. Your TSP Mini Argon Humidifier is now ready to go. Before using the device, ensure there are no leaks on the hoses or connectors. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.